My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 86. In this lecture, we will try to understand calculation of variance and standard deviation with the help of Python programming language. We will go to Jupyter Notebook. Here I am defining, just let me say few theoretical points. Let me recall. Another measure of dispersion or variability, and that is the variance. We will first see how we can calculate variance manually, which takes, let me say like this, we already discussed what is function. Just see, this is def is a keyword, variance is function name, data is my input, diffs equal to 0, difference of squares, let me say like this. Average, how can I calculate average? Sum of the data by length of the data, isn't it? That is average. For n in data, this is my for loop. We know we can use a for loop to iterate over each data point, subtract the average from every value and square the difference. That's what happening here. Just see, for n in data, diffs equal to diffs plus n minus average. N means you are collecting each point from my data set and I am subtracting average from each data point. Isn't it? Am I not subtracting it? Yes, I am subtracting. Let me say like this. You can then set up squares, let me say like, and square the difference. We then set up the squares of the difference. Isn't it? Star 2 means squares of the difference and divided by the length of the data minus 1. This is difference of squares we are dividing. After calculating, after for loop is terminated, we will return. What will return? We will return difference of squares by length of data minus 1. We have applied Bessel correction here. This is the length of data minus 1, n minus 1 sample variance, isn't it? That's why we are saying Bessel correction. I can say we have applied Bessel correction here as well. Once we have this function definition, we can invoke this on our height column and also on weight column. This particular data set we were discussing from past few classes. This is the data set, height underscore weight, and this one is we downloaded from Kaggle database, isn't it? Height underscore weight underscore data. In this particular data set, there is a column, weight column. For that, just I request you to refer my previous lecture so that you can understand about this particular data frame. It's simple. Variance I am calling, I am invoking function on which numerical column? On weight numerical column. Where it is in height underscore weight underscore data frame. Therefore, what is your variance? Your variance is 1048.63326. Isn't it? It's simple. Anybody can understand, isn't it? Just even if you want, you can invoke variance height underscore weight underscore data. I am invoking an height column. Height is also a numerical column on in your height underscore weight underscore data frame. What is the variance of this particular particular column, height column of height underscore weight underscore data? 268.141914916. Even this we called with the help of our own function, user defined function. There is a built-in function in pandas that is var, height underscore weight underscore data. It is my data frame name, height is my column name. That way I am using built-in function var. You are getting 268.14. Same value you are getting. Means our user defined function value matches with the built-in function value. In similar manner, I can invoke my var function on weight column. This is the column which is present in height underscore weight underscore data. Just I am calculating, I am getting same number with our helper function, our user defined function is matching with its value is matching with the built-in function var. Even you can say like this, standard deviation. What is my standard deviation? It's the square of variance. We already defined what is variance, my user defined function, through which I am passing height and score, weight and score data. It will calculate variance. Star 0.5 means it is whole to the power of 1 by 2. If you take square root of variance, what will I get? I will get standard deviation. Standard deviation of height column in height and score, weight and score data frame is 16 point, what it says, 16.3752067, isn't it? In similar manner, I can calculate standard deviation. There is a variance, our built-in function, height and score, weight and score data. I am passing weight numerical column. Star 0.5 means it's whole to the power of 1 by 2. Just in similar manner, my user defined function variance we already defined. This is the variance whole to the power of 0.5 means it's square root of variance. That is standard deviation of weight column in your data frame. But there is a built-in function std. Just say height and score, weight and score data is my data frame name. Weight is my column name. Dot std means it will display directly standard deviation. That is 32.382. That's some value you are getting. Even you can invoke this std function on height column of this particular data frame. That is 16.375266. These are different standard values. This lecture helps you to understand how to calculate variance. We can define our own function variance, or you can make use predefined function where you can calculate standard deviation on your own. Otherwise, in pandas series and pandas there is a function std. You can make use that standard deviation function. Just to go through this lecture, certainly you can understand. It is simple and straightforward lecture. Thank you very much.